PhDizzle, and I'm your host, Alice Cheng, and today we're interviewing Irene Onyeneho.
Thank you, very good.
So Irene did her undergrad in cognitive science and neuroscience at Dartmouth College, and just finished her PhD in
molecular and cellular physiology.
Yes, at Stanford. So Irene, tell me about what you did during your PhD and maybe pronounce it again. So,
Sure,
okay.
sure, no problem.
What that means.
Yeah, absolutely. So I got a PhD in molecular and cellular physiology, and I worked in a lab where we were really interested in understanding the primary cilium and the centrosome. And the centrosome is the central organizing point in the cell.
So can you explain a little bit, like, I kind of understand those things.
So do you know those cells in your throat that have a lot of hairs that sort of beats?
In your throat?
Yeah, the trachea, like they have hairs and they beat.
Wow.
Anyway, they beat mucus.
Oh.
And so those are multiciliary. That almost every cell in your body has one of those that doesn't beat.
Oh.
And so for years and years, people have been looking at cells under the microscope and saw just one cilia sticking out of a cell that wasn't beating. And so everybody thought that it was useless. It was just, an artifact of evolution. And so when we determined that, wow, these little cilia that aren't beating, they're actually acting like antennas and picking up signals from the environment, and that's why they're important for neurodevelopment. That's when the whole cilia field sort of kind of blew up. And so your eyes, your ears, your kidneys, your skin, like everywhere, basically. Like cilia is doing a lot of really important things, and we're just cracking open exactly what they're doing.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So after you did your PhD, how did you, where are you transitioning into now?
Well, after Stanford, I decided, I really want to impact healthcare. I really want to impact the world in some way, but maybe on the other side, maybe not in academia, but outside. And so after Stanford, I had the really great opportunity to work at a startup. It's a health tech startup, so telemedicine. It's a platform for patients to directly interact with their doctors over sort of a Skype-like interface. Then, I was really interested in potentially, being able to use my domain knowledge to impact healthcare or biotech in some way, but I was really interested in finance. I got an opportunity to work at a firm. It was actually a private equity firm, but I got an intro into what finance was like, and so now I'm really interested in finding a firm where I could be able to identify really exciting science, really exciting technology, and back it with capital in order to get it off the ground. I'm also exploring potentially doing a startup on my own, and so we'll see. I mean, that's definitely something that's on the table as well.
Wow. Oh my God, so many things since so it sounds like you are involved in everything. That's awesome. I'm sure you've learned so much from those experiences.
I definitely have.
And I think that's going to be such a great opportunity for whatever you're doing next. We're on campus at Stanford right now. It's gorgeous. What are some of your favorite experiences during grad school at Stanford?
Yeah, so one of the major Stanford traditions is called fountain tapping. Okay. And so basically there's probably around 10 fountains on campus. This is one of them. And basically what you do is you visit each fountain, step in there. Sometimes people swim or get wet, where they're wearing their bathing suits. And, visit just every fountain. And usually this happens around graduation weekend when the sun's really great and the weather's really nice. So I was able to finally do that towards the end of grad school. And so check that off my list.
Nice. Yeah. So since we're here at the fountain, let's recreate that experience. So we've got the fountain right behind us. We're going to run down, just dip our feet in. Is that what you do? Okay, and then we'll run back up. Okay, cool. So you can live the experience vicariously through us. Okay, ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Go. PhDizzle.
Having fun with cool people who do smart things.
Smart people who do cool things.
Smart people who do cool things.